I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Nood din ng Roja. 5 araw na lamang. Patuloy niyong panoorin.
Miss Janice?
Kahit na alam na namin kung ano yung mangyayari, when you watch the trailer, it still is exciting. So I'm excited not only for us, but for everybody who will watch.
Bye-bye.
Para sa akin po, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Kumbaga, nagsisimula pa lang kami nung August, tas ngayon papalapit na. So, nung nakita ko yung mismong trailer, medyo nakakalungkot kasi matatapos na. Pero natutuwa din ako kasi buhay pa si Sir Nick. May laban pa.
Laban pa. Thank you, Ma'am Yasi. Your reaction to the trailer?
Very, si Mami G. Very exciting po talaga ang lahat ng mga mangyayari. Ang masasabi ko lang ay di nyo maaasahan ang mga surpresang paparating. Kaya wag na wag po kayo bibitaw.
Kyle?
Si Mama G napaka-chismoso lang po talaga.
Bakit?
So,
Bakit daw?
hindi, wag na natin. Ano? Okay na? Okay na? Ma. Tama na ba? Okay. Reaction ko po dun
Yes,
sa trailer.
yes, sir.
I think it really ties up everything that we went through just to put this project out. Napakadaming nangyari sa lahat ng characters namin. We have so many different napakadaming sugat, napakadaming blood, sweat, and tears, literal. And nakaka-proud lang tingnan yung trailer. For how many months na nag-airing kami, we're finally reaching our last 5 days. And it's bittersweet. So I'm just excited for everyone to see it.
And Donnie finally here. So you're, siguro, yun din, parang preview na mabibigay mo sa mga fans natin sa final.
Yeah, actually kami rin, first time namin mapanood tong teaser na to. And I think, just looking at it now, hindi nawawala talaga yung intensity ng Roja yung buong series. Kasi palaging may mga tanong kung anong mangyayari next, kung mamamatay ba tong tao na to, kung paano nila may escape tong problema na to. So, the most interesting part for me was looking at it now, kung gaano kalayo yung itsura namin lahat. Simula nung nag-start kami, na sobrang relax lang tayo, happy dun sa resort. Tapos ito, si Tito Joel halos parang mukha ka ng, hindi ko alam parang na-run over ka na ng kotse, nabangga ka na lahat, parang mukhang wala na parang ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan. It's the same with the show, we went through so many things, so all roads lead to this. Tsaka lahat ng mga tanong, masasagot na.
Ayan. Speaking of tanong, ito na po ang official start ng ating MediaCon. I will stick to Donnie and Kyle. You mentioned blood, sweat, and tears. Yung literal na pinagdadaanan ninyo sa fight scenes. Siguro any memorable fight scenes for you, Kyle, na nag-stick sa'yo top of mind?
Well, I can't say there's a certain one. Yung nakita nyong may bomba sa pier. Yeah. That was one of the first times na makakalabas sana sila sa isla. Tapos may bomba and everything. I think the reason why it's so memorable is kasi di namin alam na totoong bomba yung putok.
Wow!
Yeah. So pareho kami ni Donnie. Nung tight shot kasi fire lang siya.
Yes.
And then nung wide shot, ayun, totoong sabog. Pagtingin namin, sabi namin ni Donnie, what the heck, man? Napatumba talaga
Hindi naman
kami.
totoong bomba, totoong sabog.
Yeah, totoong sabog.
Grabe naman yung totoong bomba.
Mukha siyang bomba
Baka
talaga.
magalit yung friend sa akin.
Okay. So to clarify,
Oo.
totoong pagsabog,
Oo.
pero hindi siya legit.
Oo naman.
Okay. Just to be safe. Safety precaution. Okay, yun po. Donnie, kasi na-mention ni Kyle kanina na yun nga, ang daming sugat. Did it ever come to a point na medyo may risk for injury? Kasi nga, syempre ma-action, it needs to look real.
Did it ever come or was there ever
Was there
hindi?
ever?
Na hindi. Kasi lahat po ng action scenes namin, I think every time papasok kami sa set, para may usapan na kami na kung may mangyayari man, of course, you don't want that to happen. Pero kung may masasaktan na konti or hindi mo maiwasan na may mangyari, we're all in this together talaga. So I think that's the most important part. Kung gagawa ka ng scene with someone, yung co-actor or actress mo, mag-uusap kayo, uy, ito gagawin ko. Siyempre, mag-rehearse kayo. Pero pag nandun na kasi sa action, sa scene mismo, minsan hindi mo maiwasan. So yeah, there were times na na-injured talaga kami. And totoo yung blood, sweat, and tears. There were times na ito, fight namin ni Lou. Saan si Lou? Lou, naalala mo yung unang fight natin? Totoo yun, may sugat ako dito na malaki, dumutugo. Pero hindi kasalanan ni Lou yun. I think, hindi mo kasalanan yun. Pero ang ganda kasi ng kalabasan eh. So sometimes, those things need to happen. But yeah, I think the good thing is everyone's willing to go through it kasi alam nila na magiging worth it naman sa eksena.
Tama, syempre para mas mapalabas yung realidad, di ba? Important thing is you're safe, healthy, and well. For Miss LT, working with both young and veteran talents po, is there still anything that surprised you or learned something from your co-stars?
With Donnie kasi, first time namin magkasama. So, nakita ko yung development. Alam niya yung role niya nung umpisa kasi parang light lang, di ba? Parang nung later on, nung malaman niya na ako pala yung mastermind, yun yung pinakamabigat na eksena. And it took us 2 days para gawin yung eksena na yun, yung drama scene namin. And makikita mo talaga na yung intensity ng development niya then as a performer, as an actor, makikita mo talagang ang laki ng tinaas. Yung ganon. So, I'm so happy na nakasama ko si Donnie. Na eto na, yung kanyang first pinaka na parang action lead and all sa isang teleserye. Yun, so proud na naging nanay niya ako. And then, with the veterans, syempre naman, may laging bago, lagi kang matututunan kasi nga, veteran na eh. Kasi kami nung nagkasama kami ni Joel, ano pa yon, mga bata pa kami. Pero syempre, ang laki na ng development dahil siguro din sa experience na natutunan namin. Isang malaking bagay kasi yun.
Tsaka nag-vary po yung
tagaturo.
roles. Nag-vary po yung roles kasi ngayon. So, nag-iba din siya.
Yes.
Alright. Thank you, Miss LT. Miss Janice po, what can you say about working with a cast, especially the new gen of actors?
With everybody else, syempre, you know, I've worked with most of them. I think I've worked with all of them. So it was a joy having to work with them again. And then with the younger ones, nung una, hindi ko alam kung mag-fit in ako. Bakit ba nila? Hindi ko bakit ba nila sa akin? But it was fun because I got to know all of them. And like I said, I was happy that for the first time in a show, memorize ko lahat ng pangalan nila. Diba? And it means something to me, kasi hindi naman ako friend